Continents. The seven continents are the main land areas on the earth. They are Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Africa. It is the second largest continent, also called Dark Continent. It is home of Nile, the longest river in the world. Asia. It is the largest and most populous continent. It is the birthplace of many great religions like Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, and Christianity. It is also the home of the 10 highest mountain peaks, including Mount Everest. North America. It is also known as New World. North America is the only continent that has every kind of climate, where every kind of climate. South America. It has longest mountain range, the Andes, and also the largest river, Amazon. Antarctica. It is mostly uninhabited. South Pole is at its center. It is also called frozen continent. It is the highest, driest, windiest, emptiest, coldest place on earth. Europe. It is the only continent without any deserts. The Vatican City, the world's smallest country, is in Europe. Australia. It includes other nearby islands which are called Oceania. It is the smallest continent and the largest island in the world. It lies entirely south of the equator and is called land down under. Oceans. The total area on Earth covered by water consists of oceans. The oceans have a number of seas, bays, and other water bodies linked to them. The oceans are listed here from largest to smallest. Pacific. It is the largest and deepest ocean. The Mariana Trench in it is the deepest point on Earth. Atlantic Ocean. It has the longest coastline of all the oceans. The Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea are linked to it. Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are linked to it. Southern Ocean. It is completely encloses the continent of Antarctica. Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean and is the mostly frozen North Pole is at its center. Rivers. The largest river in the world is the Amazon. It flows in South America, mostly in Brazil. The longest river in the world is the Nile. It has two main tributaries. These are called Blue Nile and White Nile. Another long river in Africa is the Congo Chambeshi. The Congo is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. The longest river in Asia is the Yangtze. It flows entirely in China. Another long river in China is the Yellow River. It is also known as China's Sorrow because of the floods it caused in earlier days. The longest river in the North America is the Mississippi, Missouri. It flows mostly in the USA. The deepest river in the world is the Congo. It is also known as Zaire River. The largest river in the world is Amazon. The longest river in the world is the Nile. The longest river in Asia is Yangtze. The longest river in Europe is Volga. Mountain ranges and famous mountains. Some major mountain ranges on Earth lands surface are listed here from longest to shortest. Andes Mountain. It is the longest mountain range in the world, located in South America. Aconcagua is the highest peak in this range. Rockies Mountain. It is North America. Mount Elbert is their highest peak, but the highest mountain in the North America is Mount McKinley. It lies in the Alaska state of the USA, Himalayas. It is the longest range in Asia. It contains the highest mountain of the world, Mount Everest. Other famous ranges are the Great Dividing Range Australia, Caucasus and Alps, both in Europe, Atlas in Africa, and the Western Ghats in India. The other famous mountains are K2. It is the second highest mountain in the world. It is on the India-China border in Jammu and Kashmir. Kanchenjunga. It is the third highest mountain in the world. It is on the India-Nepal border in Sikkim. Kailash. It has a religious significance for Hindus. It lies in China, Tibet. Kilimanjaro. It is the highest mountain in Africa. It is famous for being volcanic. Next one is Matterhorn. It is shaped like a pyramid. It lies on the border between Switzerland and Italy. Full Fuji or Fujiyama. It is the highest mountain in Japan. It is famous for being volcanic. Energy sources. Energy sources are of two types, conventional and non conventional. Conventional sources have been in use for a long period of time. These include coal, petroleum products like oil and natural gas, nuclear power, hydroelectric power, firewood, straw, and dried dung. Most of these sources cause pollution when used. They also generate greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and CFCs. Non-conventional sources. Energy generated by using wind, tide, solar, geothermal, heat, and biomass, including farm and animal waste, is known as non-conventional energy. All these sources are renewable and do not cause environmental pollution.